Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals through online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts varying availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing survey platforms, consider factors like reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Ensure your survey-taking practices are top-notch by creating a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be cautious of red flags signaling potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, scarce customer reviews, solicitation of private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors typically taking 15 to 20 minutes per completion. Some platforms even offer instant cash or bonus points upon sign-up. Companies eagerly compensate individuals for their insights through surveys, aiding in market research and consumer feedback. Start your journey to earning extra cash today.